We just defined a root URL and a default header globally within the application, but we can also configure this locally within a given component. For example, suppose that I want to add a header only for requests made within the Vue product component. This can be done by adding an HTTP object to the component object. So let's go to the Vue product component for an example and add an HTTP object right here within the component options. Within this object, I can add a headers object specifying one or more headers to add to requests. So headers being an object. Here I will add a CSRF token and set the value to very secure token here. Besides the headers key, I could also have added one named root for defining a root URL for the requests made within this component. Okay, let's see if it works. So I'll have to open the console for this. So let's try to refresh the page and inspect the request. Scrolling down to the request headers. This request still has the header that we added in the previous lecture, but not the new one. This is of course expected because this request was issued by the product list component. Let's view a product and see which headers the request has. So let's inspect the new request. Scroll down to the bottom. Note how this request has both the global and the header that we specified within the Vue product component. These two headers are added to all requests made within this component. That's how you can get more fine-grained control of your HTTP configuration.